Several companies of Central Paramilitary Forces reached the state by special train on Wednesday night ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha election and by poll. Earlier, several companies of Central Paramilitary Forces have arrived in the state. Central Paramilitary Forces have started arriving in the state even earlier ahead of the upcoming state's 2 Lok Sabha constituencies and 7 Ramnagar Assembly constituency. They were sent to different parts of the state from Agartala railway station in the night. The military personnel brought with them food and other items. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.